Yan, hello, what's up po ulit mga ka-backyard. So ngayong hapon, ayan, nagpapakain kami ng mga pabo. So isa na lang yung natira sa anak ng pabo. Mahirap pala magparami na ito. Pero okay lang, may mga malalaki pa naman dito. Ayan, puro inahin na yan. So ayan yung mga manok. Tapos magpapakain kami ng
oh my god.
Does Lucy off the feet? What I got? Ew, I don't want to touch the poop. Tiny. It's disgusting. What happens if you step on it? You're... Oh my god!
so ito
Kambing? Is that kambing?
yeah, go.
Okay, you go feed them. Okay, I'm going to name you this. You go, Diggy! Okay, and this one, I'm going to name you Justin Bieber. You. Oh! You're going to be named Okay. already named Green. And you. I don't know.
Ayan, papakain kami ng mga kambing ngayon.
You know what? I'm going to name you Miss Poopy Pants.
There was so many poop. I had to name her Miss Poopy Pants. We now call her Miss Poopy Pants.
Oh wait, go feed Miss Poopy Pants. Annie, feed Miss Poopy Pants.
Ayan, so ubos na yung stock dito.
I wonder, maybe she eats. That's why she.
Magkakit lang ako ng
She poopy her pants.
ng isang pagkain.
Guys, ito naman si
So updatean tayo. So ito yung mga
Hi!
binibenta natin. Bak saka dumalaga. Sa naghahanap.
Nakalimutan ko pangalan ko. Papangalan na lang.
Ito pa. Bak at dumalaga. Pares.
Can you get some more kambing?
Ito rin, buntis to.
Oh my god, there's no more.
Kukuha ko. So ayan, ito buntis din. Tapos to buntis din. So breeding, nakapag-breed na kami this season. So nag-aantay lang kami ng mga anak. So habang nag-aantay, and pakain muna tayo ng mga kambing at kukuha lang ako ng mga pagkain pa. So yun lang muna. At tuloy-tuloy lang namin yung pagpapakain namin ng kambing.